Right then guys, hello, and a big thank you to you all. Absolutely splendid. Managed to get enough money to get another GoPro. Yeah, so story is that we got £110 from donations, pounds, 15 quid, that sort of thing. You bought me some beers. Guys, you know who you are. Well appreciated, and I will note this in the future. Yeah. Obviously not everybody will give. That, you know, some people can't give because they don't have the facility to set up for giving. I do have to beg sometimes because equipment always costs money, doesn't it? So yeah, I've ordered a GoPro 9, and the story is I got an email from somebody who wants to remain anonymous, who said they'll match whatever I've got to make up the cash, yeah, because they really enjoy the videos that I'm doing. They find it worthwhile, yeah, so I'd say it's a one-off sponsorship, yeah. So I got 110 quid, I put a little bit of my money in and they matched it so I could get the GoPro, and it cost this much. It should be delivered pretty shortly, which is brilliant, yeah. I did find out that this GoPro, the glass here, it can be replaced, put heat gun on it to break the seal, but I can't find a kit to do this with at the moment, so I might just pull that off and use this in the studio. It's not the best. It did fail on me the other day and I had to do an update on it again because they're janky. All of the GoPros are janky. I could have got an Osmo action cam which has a front facing camera, and they've got good reviews, but the GoPro are doing a special because they're in competition, and I got 150 quid off, so it's not bad. Overall it's a good deal, and I'll get a year of cloud storage, which, to be honest with you, I probably actually need now with the amount of video material and the amount of videos I do. Yeah, so once again guys, thank you very much. It has been noted. It has been noted. Yeah, so I'll let you into a little bit more. Obviously I do spend quite a bit of money and I don't earn off YouTube, and you'll probably notice that I sometimes put adverts on, sometimes I don't. AdSense is now going to tax YouTubers from the UK. Everything's going crazy, but I have to buy things like batteries. The new 9 will be able to charge from the battery direct, and it has a bigger battery on it. And there's loads of new stuff come on the GoPro 9. They also have to keep up with what the customers want. Things like SD cards, carriers and all that, microphones, you name it, cages and brackets and all that sort of thing. They all cost money, don't they? Yeah, plus there's, you know, running costs always comes in, so I'll always leave a link below the videos if you want to help us out. If you feel it's good, just chuck it in there. I don't make a living off YouTube, never will do. I'm not that type of guy. The reviews I do on stuff, I did try a little bit of affiliate connections, but it doesn't work because the stuff that I'm doing, like torches, well, I mean, I have to have millions of subscribers to make it work, which I don't have. I've just got you guys here, yeah? And of course you're interested in what I've got to do. Done the video now on the torch through night 1, and I'm still dressed up because I've just been out videoing this and edited it and put it on there, so it's there for you if you're interested to look at. And this will go to the RNLI guy. Competition for the other torch will be up pretty shortly, yeah? I'm always on the cadge for something or another. Not that everything always works. Sometimes they'll send me stuff and I just can't get on with it. I've got this box here which I'm going to send off pretty shortly to the dash cam people who sent me one. I can't connect my mobile phone to it. It's a nightmare. So I said no, I can't do it. Yeah, so I'm out of pocket there because I've got to pay for the postage to send it back. Yeah. So that's that. That is called a dead cat, by the way. That's a microphone for wind blocking. Yeah, dead cat. Honestly, how do they come up with these names? I don't know. But yeah, I mean, I've got shitloads to do. Yeah, I've still got this book that I bought, what, 2-3 years? No, actually more than that. Probably about 10 years ago. I don't know, 5 years. Let's say I bought it 5 years ago. Dan Sullivan's Theory to Electrics. Always handy. And I do eventually want to do some picoscope work. Our picoscope at work in the box is actually never used, but I think I'll probably use my snap-on one. Not that I'll promise anything. It does take a lot of brain power to work out things, and when I say I'm going to do something, it might take a year before I actually bring it out, but there is stuff yet to do. Now I want to give a little bit of a shout out to Can Diagnostics. Okay, he did donate actually, thank you bud. And his channel, yeah, is starting to become interesting. He's starting to do faults on DAPs and MANs and stuff like that, which, if you're interested, subscribe to him, support him, and have a look at the stuff he's doing, because the more subscribers he gets and the more interest he gets, the more stuff he's going to do. It's the same with me. Yeah, I'm always scheming ways of doing more videos. Yeah, I enjoy doing it, regardless of whether it's going to make me a millionaire, which it won't do. In fact, it'll probably put me in the grave, but you know what I'm saying, don't you? Yeah, so there we go. And I'm just going to show you this little diffuser here. I don't know if you can see that. This lets off like a aroma. It's really nice. I've got cinnamon in that. It's really, really nice. And I can actually sit there and get chilled. Yeah. I've had more interest from more torch companies, which I think I might knock them on the head shortly, because it gets a little bit tedious with torches. But I've got to say, this stuff is shit hot. This stuff is shit hot. This torch is actually that hot. I left it on accidentally, and it's melted that. Yeah, can you believe it? It's melted it. Mental. Yeah. Anyway, I do like to bring you information on stuff whenever I can. If you're interested in it, then it looks good on me if you just watch the video at least, and maybe have a browse on their website, because they know where the traffic's coming from. If it comes from my videos, it looks good, they'll send me more stuff, won't they? And then if I don't want it, I'll give it away in a competition, or give it away to somebody. Yeah. So anyway, that's it, guys. Sincerely, thank you very much, and thank you very much for our one-off sponsor guy, who really did go out of his way to make sure that we can keep operational. Yeah. So that's it. The competition is about to come up now, so watch out for that if you entered it, and somebody will be winning a torch shortly. Okay. See you later.